This is a 2-bed 1-bath located in the Silvercreek Towers at 60 Park Avenue. Starting at the front entrance, the living room, dining room and kitchen area are directly ahead. Throughout this suite, there is hardwood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Left of the entrance is the kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, island with room for bar stools, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stove top. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the dining and living room in an open concept design. On the back wall, there is a large glass sliding door with a rolling shade that leads onto the balcony. Right of the living room, there is a hallway that leads straight. On the immediate right, there is a double-door closet. The first door on the left is the first bedroom. Across from the first bedroom, there are 2 closets. The first bedroom features a glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall and a double-door closet on the immediate left. Right of the first bedroom is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a glass window with a rolling shade on the back left wall and a spacious walk-in closet on the immediate right. Across from the primary bedroom is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 3 drawers and 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting.